Scientists employ a variety of models to study, visualize, and predict complex phenomena. Each type of model serves a unique purpose, depending on the nature of the research and the level of detail needed to represent the system accurately. One commonly used model type is the visual model, such as a diagram, which provides a simplified two-dimensional representation of complex systems or processes. Diagrams are widely used in biology to illustrate cell structure or ecological relationships, and in physics to depict forces acting on an object. These visual models help clarify relationships and mechanisms within a system, making them ideal for initial learning and high-level understanding. Another type is the physical 3D model, which allows for hands-on exploration of objects or systems. Physical models are especially useful in disciplines like geology, where 3D models of tectonic plates help visualize plate movements, and in anatomy, where organ models allow tactile examination of human body structures. These models enable scientists and learners to examine structural details and spatial relationships that are often difficult to observe in two dimensions. Computer simulations represent another essential model type, enabling scientists to run detailed virtual experiments by manipulating conditions in a controlled digital environment. These models are extensively used in meteorology for weather prediction, where simulations track atmospheric conditions to forecast storm. Environmental scientists use simulations to model climate change, testing how various factors may affect ecosystems and temperatures over time. Simulations provide flexibility, as parameters can be adjusted to observe various outcomes without real-world risk or expense. Mathematical models employ formulas and equations to describe relationships and behaviors within systems through quantitative data. Formulas are central in physics and chemistry, where equations like Newton's laws of motion or the ideal gas law model how different variables interact. These models are powerful predictive tools, as they allow scientists to calculate unknown values based on known relationships, providing a framework for experimentation and discovery. Finally, anecdotal models use relatable stories or personal experiences to illustrate complex scientific ideas in a simplified way. For instance, the story of a child touching a hot stove models the concept of learning from experience, much like the scientific method involves trial and error. Anecdotes, while simplified, make abstract ideas accessible and memorable by connecting them to real-life experiences. Each type of model, visual, physical, computational, mathematical, and anecdotal, contributes uniquely to scientific understanding by capturing essential aspects of phenomena while simplifying or omitting less relevant details. Together, they form a toolkit that scientists use to explore, test, and explain the complexities of the world.